Well, we have been looking at the kind of HTML tags that could encompass within the body. But there is also an important tag called the head tag. So immediately after HTML, head and body are the most important tag possible. Now within the head tag, you could add a CSS, you could add a script, you could add a link to an external file, a URL. So this is all that you could do within the head tag. Now, head tag is pretty much holding metadata. So metadata, if you're an engineering student, you would understand metadata is nothing but data about data. So this body content, whatever you see here, might need a few extra documents or external links. So that is what is going to come inside the head tag. So the head tag is actually a very important tag. We'll see the kind of tags that could come inside head and what could possibly be linked through a head tag and how this head tag could actually make the content of the body more powerful. So we'll look at that in some time.